morning, ma'am. My name is Misra.
Okay. Now I am going to ask some GK question. Okay, and you have to give answer. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India.
Who is the President of India?
Draupadi Murmu is President of India.
Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh?
Yogi Adityanath is Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh.
Which is the largest animal in the world?
Blue whale.
Which is the longest river in the world?
Nil.
How many days are there in a week?
7 days in a week.
Name them.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
How many months are there in a year?
12 months in a year.
Okay, name.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
How many directions are there?
East, west, north, south.
Where does the sun rise?
Sunrise. Sun.
The sun rise
Sunrise
in the east.
in the east.
Which is the largest river in India?
In India, Ganga.
Okay, very good.